Hi guys, today I'll be showing you the contents of the Rebel Touch. Sorry. This is an iPod case for the third generation and second generation iPods. I guess it's one of the best case you can get out there. I find it's pretty nice. Has a nice red spine here. I have the Devil Edition. Okay, so let's get started. So first off, you get the case that comes here. Yeah. And inside of this little thing, you have these three items right here. This is for the iPod dock, so you can put this inside and put that into a stereo set or whatever. Next thing, the stand. There's two sides because there's one at a lower angle. And yeah, look. And then the 3.5mm jack, headphone adapter, sorry. Plug that in your headphones. I don't know why they included this, but next we have the cardboard iPod. Inside of it you have a squeegee, of course. Microfiber cloth and two screen protectors. I heard a lot of good things about these screen protectors. Yeah, so that's pretty much it, guys. That was the Rebel Touch for the iPod 3rd gen and 2nd gen. Thanks for watching. Rate, comment, subscribe.